Welcome to MindSeedWorld, where curiosity meets the cosmos. Today, we embark on a journey to discover 10 strange and sometimes unsettling ways space travel changes the human body. Get ready for a countdown of the extraordinary adaptations faced by those who venture beyond Earth.
Fact 1. You get taller. One of the first changes that astronauts experience is an increase in height. Without gravity compressing the spine, the vertebrae stretch, and astronauts can grow up to 5 centimeters taller. This effect disappears after returning to Earth, as gravity restores their normal height and prepares the ground for even more unexpected changes.
Fact 2. Your face puffs up. Microgravity causes fluids to shift toward the head, resulting in a swollen face and slimmer legs, a phenomenon known as space face syndrome. This redistribution not only changes appearance, but also affects other bodily functions, making adaptation a constant challenge for astronauts.
Fact 3. Your heart gets lazy. The heart is also affected by life in space. With less effort needed to circulate blood, it gradually shrinks and becomes less active. These changes in the cardiovascular system highlight the importance of monitoring astronauts' health throughout the duration of their missions.
Fact 4. Your bones start melting. Loss of bone mass is another serious problem. Without the action of gravity providing resistance, astronauts can lose up to 1% of their bone mass each month, increasing the risk of fractures. To counteract this, exercise routines and nutritional strategies are continuously improved to help maintain bone strength.
Fact 5. Your brain rewires itself. Adapting to microgravity also requires the brain to recalibrate. Without a clear sense of up and down, astronauts may initially feel disoriented. Over time, the brain compensates, but these changes can persist even after returning to Earth, affecting balance and spatial orientation.
Fact 6. You can't smell properly. Fluid shifts in microgravity often lead to sinus congestion, causing astronauts to experience a reduced sense of smell. This not only diminishes the enjoyment of eating, but also makes it harder to detect certain hazards, adding another layer of complexity to daily life in space.
Fact 7. Your vision gets blurry. Vision can also be affected. Many astronauts develop spaceflight-associated neuroocular syndrome, in which increased fluid pressure flattens the eyeball and causes blurred vision. Ongoing research aims to prevent and treat these changes to protect astronauts' eyesight during long-duration missions.
Fact 8. You can't sleep normally. Sleep becomes a challenge in orbit. Without the natural cycle of day and night, astronauts' sleep patterns are disrupted. To rest well, they use eye masks, earplugs, and straps that help them stay alert and healthy while floating above the Earth.
Fact 9. Your immune system weakens. Space travel can weaken the immune system, making astronauts more susceptible to infections and reactivating dormant viruses. Factors such as microgravity, radiation, and stress contribute to these changes, highlighting the need for vigilant health monitoring and preventive care.
Fact 10. Your sense of taste changes. Perception of taste changes in space because fluid movement causes nasal congestion, making food bland for astronauts. To counteract this, they often add spicy seasonings, such as hot sauce, which is why bold flavors have become a staple on the International Space Station.
Cosmos is not only beautiful, it is also strange. From height increase to loss of taste, these effects reveal both our ability to adapt and our vulnerability beyond Earth. Which of these changes surprised you the most? Stay tuned to learn more amazing facts as we continue to explore the mysteries of space.
And don't forget, hit subscribe, because we've got new mind-bending facts every single day here on MindSeedWorld.
Subscribe for more cosmic facts.